Today, I'm not giving you a 21-day challenge, or a 90-day plan, or a long motivational speech. That makes you feel good for a short time. Today, I'm giving you a 24-hour reset plan that can change your mind, your energy, and your life direction. But there is one condition. This is not for people who just listen. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves for one day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because you are weak. Your life is stuck because you keep lying to yourself. So let's fix it today. Step 1. Pick one day. Just one day. On that day, stay away from your phone. No scrolling. No TV. Just you and your thoughts. It will feel uncomfortable. You will want to check your phone again and again. You will say just 1 minute. But that moment is very important. Because when everything is quiet, all the thoughts and feelings you avoid will come out. Step 2. Stand in front of a mirror. No music. No positive lines. Just look at yourself and ask, what am I trying to become? You don't need to say the answer. Just feel it. It may feel strange or heavy, but that feeling shows where you are not being true to yourself. Step 3. Take a notebook and write one thing you are avoiding. Maybe a habit or a decision. Example: I am avoiding my diet. I am avoiding my studies. This doesn't fix the problem, but it helps you accept it. And when you accept it, you stop ignoring it. That's where change starts. Step 4. Set a timer for 60 minutes. First 20 minutes, move your body. Walk, stretch, or do simple exercise. No need to be perfect. Next 20 minutes, clear your mind. Write your thoughts, fear, stress, anger, anything. Last 20 minutes, sit quietly. No phone. No distractions. You will realize you are not too busy. You are just disconnected. And this is where clarity starts. Step 5. At night, stand in front of the mirror again. Say to yourself, today, I didn't run away. It was not perfect, but it was real. Most people never live even one real day. One day won't change your whole life, but it will help you understand your real self. And when you understand yourself, your direction becomes clear. If you feel inspired, don't scroll. Pick one day and start. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.